Do you guys know what is inside? Well, this is a hint for you guys. It's something fragile, meaning that it's something that you should be careful when handling. So you can get a bit of an idea that it's either something made of marbles, something made of something that is breakable, or something electronic. So we will see what is inside today. Now, to be honest, I don't really have an idea myself. I'll just cut right into it. Start right away by cutting into the side right here, which will allow us to open it up and just go right through it. Now, after we've got the first few cuts in right here, now we can just rip it apart like this. Just like you guys are watching, we can just rip it apart like that, and we have ourselves the box pretty much open, as you guys can see right here. The box is just about to be opened, so yeah, we have pretty much got the wrap off without much cutting, without much, you can say, pollution of plastic, which is a good thing. I don't like my plastic in pieces. I just want to get it out in one part so that I don't have to have the additional work of cleaning it, nor do I want to make extra trash. So we just got the plastic wrap away. Now we just open this up, and would you look at that? It is what we call a light. Yeah, it's basically a light. So what this is simply a light box which allows for illumination and light. We have two of these right here, some plastic wrap. This is crispy. Yeah, this is crispy plastic wrap. It's fresh. Like, it's not one of those plastic wraps you can't make the bubbles stop. Okay, jokes aside now, enough wasting time. Let me just get this big cardboard box away now, so that we can get this cardboard box away. Now we have both of these here. First we'll unbox this one, and then we'll unbox the second one. So this is basically a LED fill light. As you guys can see, it's also written, and you guys can see the specifications. I'm just starting my path on making a professional setup for my recordings, which will allow you guys to have a better experience of when we are working together. So this is the cap that we just opened. Now we will go in, we will pull this part out, and damn! Usually it's like a chips packet. There is a lot of oxygen and no chips inside. But this is the opposite. Only, like, this is huge in comparison to the box. Like, this is nearly all the way to the box, and as you guys can see, this can be controlled via multiple different methods. One of which being is this remote control. And we have these stubborn cells, which is annoying. So we'll get all of these things away. First of all, we'll have to understand what's going on at the back. It's pretty simple at the back. No kind of guidelines or any kind of way of how to handle, etc. So it's kind of easy to work around with. And you can do a few things with this, which is a benefit. First of all, you have this area for a stand. You can use a stand to place it, which is very much convenient because you don't have to buy an additional stand from the same company. If you just have a camera stand, that will also work. Well, not exactly a camera stand, but so first of all, as you guys can see, this is basically the charging method. You guys can use it to charge, or you guys can also use it to just directly use. Now, coming into what kind of this is, first of all, it's really lightweight, it's really easy, and it's really amazing to use. So that's going to be a really big plus for me. It's really big, and it has a lot of light inside. So basically, it's a fill light. If you turn it on in one corner of the room, the whole room is going to be illuminated, which is amazing. This can be used for live videos. This can also be used for multiple different other things, such as a photo shoot, such as much more. And you guys can also put a layer of, you can say, colored sheet on it to turn the color into a different one. So I'll show you guys that trick also. So this is basically how you use it. Let me find a plug, and once we get a plug, I'll be showing you guys how it works. It's pretty much the before. I'm just going to open this up to check how it works, and then we are going to turn the LED light on so that you guys can see how bright this light is. And now I'm going to be turning this on in 3, 2, 1, go. Damn, this is super bright, and it's really amazing. Let's see how the remote works. Wow, this is very nice. This is basically the easy method that will turn on the brightness. Now this is a really amazing one. Let me first of all off on. This is also the same button. So these buttons just turn it off, and these buttons turn it on. So this is basically that. Okay, now if you want it a bit dim, you guys can press this night button, which will turn it a bit more dim, which will make it a bit more easy to Okay, now this will increase it. This and these buttons will increase the light, and this. So as you guys can see right here, these are the two different color modes. It can change between these color modes. This is warm, this is now cold. And that is pretty much it about this specific, what we can call LED box. The same is here with the other box. It's the same thing. We bought twice of them, two of them if you guys don't know. And that is pretty much it. If you guys want to see the whole video for this, if you guys want to see me using this in a video, I'm going to be uploading more videos using this light. So until that time, bye.